Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that was recently asked in the exams. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So I have often received messages on Instagram where students are asking, how should I improve my speaking skills, or ma'am, how did you score band 9? Well, I have told them and I'm telling you as well. I'm sharing literally almost all of the tips that I had used in my exam. So if you follow them and if you are into the practice of taking notes while listening to the video, or maybe if you find it too fast to understand in one go, maybe just listen to it the second time and try to follow everything that I am saying, and I'm sure you will really improve your speaking score. I'm telling you this from my personal experience and I am really confident that it will help you surely. So let's look at the topic. Describe a rule that is important in your school or at work. You should say what the rule is about, what happens when people break the rule, why you think it is an important rule, and explain how you feel about the rule. So, as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card, and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So, before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's first brainstorm a few ideas together. So, some common ideas that you can use both for school and for work is that you have to be respectful and polite towards other students, and at workplace towards your other colleagues. Another thing which is common both at school and at work is carrying your ID card or identity card. In most schools, it is mandatory to have your ID card with you, and also in most workplaces, it is required to have an employee ID card with you at all times so that the company can recognize if you are their employee or not. Especially for big companies, it holds really true. Another thing that you can use for a question like this is keeping your desk organized and clean at school, and also for workplace. It is required that all employees have their workspace quite organized, neat, and clean. So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams, or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Rules and regulations are indispensable in our lives as they help to ensure safety and security, promote fairness and equality, facilitate cooperation, and today I would like to talk about the rule of punctuality in my school. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. So, indispensable means something that is very important and we cannot live without that. Equality means treating everyone in the same way. That means not giving extra advantages to any kind of person. Facilitate means to promote. Cooperation means to gel up, collaborate, and work with others. And punctuality means to perform something on time and not be late for something. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that during my school days, all students were required to arrive to school at 8:30 a.m. sharp, as the classes used to commence at 8:45 a.m. So commence means begin or to start. Moreover, pupils who failed to abide by the rule were sent back home, and a late note was registered on their diaries by the principal, and after obtaining a couple of such notes, the parents of the students were called to school to explain the instances of delays, which was quite humiliating. So, pupils is another synonym for students. So, instead of repeating the word students, we used another synonym for that. Abide means to follow, obtain means to get, and humiliating means insulting. So, you can add all of these words to your vocabulary list, and next time when you're practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation. Actually, it's a good idea to just pause the video and just write down all the meanings and synonyms of the words that I am saying so that you do not forget it later on, because these are very important and these actually increase your band scores for the lexical resources part as well. Alright, so let's continue. Furthermore, only under emergency circumstances or due to bad weather conditions, the students were excused and permitted to enter school. Additionally, I feel that this rule holds paramount significance as it helps in inculcating a sense of responsibility and punctuality in kids early in their lives, aids them to be more disciplined and organized, as well as assists in development of traits related to professionalism, all of which contribute to a bright and successful future. So, paramount means extremely important. So, instead of repeating the word in the question, we used a better vocabulary word. Inculcating means to make someone learn or to teach someone. Aid means to help. So, instead of repeating the word help, we have used help, aid, assist. Alright, so we have given a very good and a relevant elaboration for the third question, which was why you think it is an important rule. So now the last question, which is explain how you feel about the rule, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I felt fortunate and grateful to be a part of a reputed school which advocated that time is precious and brilliantly incorporated the importance of this valuable resource into the minds of young ones. So, fortunate means lucky, grateful means thankful, reputed means something that is very renowned or popular, advocate means to promote, and incorporate means to make something a part of something else. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.